Thanks for watching and for your continued support of this channel. What if the food on your plate could help protect your future? Today's video isn't about miracle cures. It's not about fear. And it's definitely not about giving up everything you love to eat. Instead, today on Topic Toss, we're talking about real, science-backed foods that research suggests may help lower the risk of breast cancer. Recurrence foods that work with your body, not against it. If you or someone you love has faced breast cancer, you already know this truth. Survival is only the first chapter. The real goal is staying healthy long-term. So in this video, we'll break down 4 powerful foods, explain exactly how they work inside your body, and most importantly how to realistically include them in everyday life. Stick around till the end, because food number 4 surprises almost everyone, and it plays a role most people completely overlook. Let's toss out the confusion and get into the science. This is Topic Toss. Before we dive into the foods, let's answer one important question. Can food really influence cancer recurrence? According to decades of research, diet affects inflammation, estrogen metabolism, insulin levels, immune function, and oxidative stress. All of these are deeply connected to how cancer cells behave. Breast cancer recurrence is not just about rogue cells, it's about the environment those cells live in. Think of it this way. You may not control every seed, but you can control the soil. And that's where food comes in. Let's start strong with our first food, cruciferous vegetables. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and bok choy. These vegetables contain powerful compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into indole-3-carbinol and sulforaphane. Now here's why that matters. Many breast cancers are estrogen sensitive. Indole-3-carbinol helps your liver break estrogen down into less aggressive forms, reduce estrogen dominance, and improve detoxification pathways. Sulforaphane, on the other hand, activates tumor suppressor genes, reduces inflammation, and helps the body eliminate potential carcinogens. Studies have shown that women who regularly eat cruciferous vegetables may have lower recurrence and mortality rates. The key is consistency, not perfection. Try lightly steaming them instead of overcooking. Add them to soups, stir-fries, or salads. Aim for 1 to 2 servings daily. Here is a pro tip. Chopping broccoli and letting it sit for 10 minutes before cooking actually boosts its sulforaphane production. Next up, we have our second food, berries. Small fruit, massive impact. This includes blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These are packed with polyphenols and anthocyanins, the natural compounds that give berries their deep, beautiful colors. Here's the science. Berries have been shown to reduce oxidative DNA damage, slow cancer cell growth, and inhibit angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. In lab studies, berry compounds actually interfere with cancer cell signaling, making it harder for abnormal cells to multiply. And unlike sugar-heavy desserts, berries have a low glycemic impact, helping control insulin, another factor linked to recurrence risk. So how do you use them? Add them to oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or just eat them fresh. And remember, frozen is just as powerful. Aim for half a cup to 1 cup per day. If Topic Toss had a snack of survival, this would be it. Let's talk about fats, but the good kind. Food number 3 is fatty fish. This includes salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. Chronic inflammation creates an environment where cancer thrives. Omega-3 South help by reducing inflammatory markers, improving immune surveillance, and modulating cell membrane signaling. Some observational studies suggest that higher omega-3 intake is associated with lower breast cancer mortality, especially in post-diagnosis diets. Omega-3 South may also counteract the inflammatory effects of omega-6 fats, which are common in processed foods. The goal is 2 to 3 servings per week. You can have it grilled, baked, or lightly pan-seared. Pair it with vegetables for maximum benefit. And if you're not a fish fan, high-quality omega-3 supplements may help, but always consult your healthcare provider first. And now for food number 4, the one that surprises most people: mushrooms. Especially shiitake, maitake, reishi, and even the common button mushroom. They contain beta-glucans, which are powerful compounds that train your immune system. Here's how they work. Beta-glucans enhance natural killer cell activity, improve the immune system's ability to recognize abnormal cells, and have been shown in some studies to reduce estrogen levels. Research from population studies, particularly in Asian diets, shows that women who regularly consume mushrooms have a lower breast cancer risk. Emerging data suggests there are potential benefits for recurrence prevention as well. How can you use them? Add mushrooms to soups, omelets, or stir-fries. Mix them into grains or vegetable dishes. Even simple sautéed mushrooms count. Just a half cup daily can make a difference. Here's the most important takeaway. No single food prevents cancer recurrence, but patterns do. A diet rich in plant diversity, anti-inflammatory foods, natural fiber, and healthy fats creates an internal environment that makes it harder for cancer to return. And the best part? This way of eating doesn't feel like punishment. It feels like self-respect. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. It helps Topic Toss reach more people who need trustworthy information. Subscribe to Topic Toss because in our next video, we'll explore everyday habits that quietly increase or decrease cancer risk. Drop a comment below. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one surprised you the most? Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep tossing out the myths. This is Topic Toss.